No, it's like -13 times.
They were both linear and I was confused, so.
So, where isn't 20 times x? So you divide by 20.
You did not say anything? Yes, you said. Well, I'm not hearing it. Yeah, so I said that you divide time.
What did you get, for example, 5? That's
Or divide by 20 days.
right.
Oh, you divide it, not times it.
Yeah, she was.
All right. Here we go. I'm going to tell you the answers to these problems, and then I'll give you a chance to discuss with your partner whether you'd like to come up here. Okay? All right. So, please don't talk over me. The answer to this one is x is less than 1/5. Or you could have x is less than 0.2. That would work. Which means an open circle on 1/5 or 0.2 and the arrow going to the left. Example 6.
Wouldn't it be going to the right? Because you flip the sign.
You don't flip the sign. You only flip the sign if you're dividing by a negative number. Or multiplying by a negative number. All right, example 6. The answer is z is less than or equal to -9. Because when you divide by a negative number, you got to flip that sign, so it had to be flipped. That would have been a closed circle on -9, arrow going to the left. So if you need to fix your work, fix it, and then decide if you'd like to come up here with your partner, please. All right. One hand up for per partnership if you're interested in either of these. If I pick you for a problem you don't want to do, just say pass. Doing it? 1, 2, 3. You want to go 2? No. 3? Which one do you want to do?
We'll take 5.
Okay, and the other group is 2. Which one's that, you guys? So you'll do the last one, is that okay? Okay. Make sure that the other person is standing by the computer because I'm recording.
So the first step that we want to do is we want to isolate the x, so we divide 20 on both sides. And simplified, that's 1/5 or 0.2. And then for the number line, you would make a 0 on the left side. And then it would be an open, and then going to the left.
Absolutely perfect. Graph right is right there. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't have animals out. Let me get them. Crazy. All right, other group, come on up. Awesome. Not in. Shocking. Okay, grasshopper, praying mantis, dragonfly, weird little something, chameleon kind of guy, and a fat toad. Fat toad's obviously the right answer. All right, so what?
So what you want to do first is divide -13 on both sides. And then you got z is less than or equal to -9. But you gotta flip it because you divided by a negative. And then for the number line, put -13 on the left side.
Just a
Negative
random
9?
number.
Huh?
On the right side.
On the right side, it's -9.
No, it isn't. the right side. Because the negative number comes on the left side. There we go.
And then -9 on the left.
Right, correct.
And then it's a closed circle
Beautiful.
going to the right.
No. Arrow should go to the left because you switch the signs so the arrow, I've got white out, don't worry. Just make it go to the left and I'll white out the right part. So it would have gone to the right if it was like this, but since we switched it, that's why it's going to the left now.
All right.
Okay, go grab some prizes. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the rest of the hour to work on this assignment. It is due on Monday. And it is page.
You don't have school Monday?
Great point. It is due Tuesday. I'll just make it work due Saturday. All right, everybody write down this assignment, please. It is page 347, 7 through 27 odds. And then 37 through 43 odds. Now, the first 3 problems I want to talk about. Let's do number 7 together. So grab a book from under your desk, at least one book per partnership. You guys can share. 347, please. Share together. All right. Number 7 looks like this. It says, write an inequality that represents each graph. What do you think it means when it says write an inequality? Yeah.
Like, right, your variable on the left side and then the arrow in the middle and then the.
Right. So it's basically just like, do you see what the number 5 is? That's what your answer is going to look like. It's going to be a variable and then like a less than or greater than sign and then a number. You don't have to make a graph or anything like that. There's already a graph on here. Okay, so for number 7, what do you think it is?
X is less than -1.
Yes. So x or any variable you wish, doesn't have to be x, can be n, can be f, can be whatever you want it to be. X is less than -1. Less than means that the arrow is going to the left. How do we know that it was not a less than or equal to? Yeah?
The circle is closed.
Right, it wasn't a closed circle, it was an open circle, it was an empty circle. And then -1 is the one that it was on. And that's it for number 7. Number 9 and 11 should also be a breeze. Okay. I'm going to be an immensely nice person. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay. I only want you to do number lines on the last set. You can skip the number lines for the previous stuff.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Zach, did you want to do full number lines? Are you good? You good? Or did you want to do?
I'm good.
Okay. Oh, okay. I know how much you love them. And those tallies. All right.